Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you one of my favorite cars. 1969 Corvette convertible 427 4-speed. It's a matching numbers block. It has a hard top and the soft top. And this is a Survivor, but I want you to see the engine running first. It's a California car, so it still has the California emissions still intact. Correct plug wires, the distributor cover. When we got the car, the brakes were soft, so we replaced them with Delco Remy calipers, the correct ones, with the stainless steel inserts. You can see the air compressor is engaged. The air conditioning is cooling, it just doesn't blow real hard through the blower. But it's all very, very original. And I'm calling this really a Survivor. And it's got a kind of an interesting history that I'll tell you about in a minute. But it looks like it's been resprayed one time. I would call it just an average, older driver quality paint job. It does have some blemishes and some cracks. There's a couple places here on the top on both sides. It does have new tires and new mufflers have been installed. The correct ones with the correct tips. Kind of hear it idle there for a second. It's got the spare tire holder. License plate light works. Tail lights work. The lenses have the correct date code. They're 68 and 69. The side marker lights work. The tires have been replaced. But this car, we have a copy of the title where in 2003 it belonged to the actor Nicolas Cage, and he sold it along with some other cars. But it was a California car. There's an oil change sticker from Tempe, Arizona, and then it sat in a collection for a number of years. And when we got the car, we rebuilt the carburetor, cleaned the fuel system, and kind of brought it back to life. And as I mentioned, the AC is cold, but it's just not blowing real hard. The seats are original, kind of the Corvette tweed, original GM seat belts. It does have a place here where the stitching has come undone on the driver's seat. It's a 390 horse. The non-AC cars were 425 horse. It says 10.25 to 1 compression, 460 foot-pounds of torque. But in California, this was kind of a rare car because most people that ordered the convertible didn't get AC. So you got a 4-speed 427 with air conditioning, with a hard top and a soft top. The soft top's in good shape, and it looks like it's been replaced because it's in too good a shape. But you can see the wear and tear on the door jambs. It's got 79,488 miles, and based on the paper trail, the oil change receipt or sticker was showing 77,818, and that's at Tempe, Arizona. We believe the miles to be correct because it did sit in a warehouse for quite a few years. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Oh, I want you to see that the headlights work. They're vacuum actuated, and these are pretty famous for not working. The car drives really good. It's got power steering. It shifts good. It's smooth. Really a pretty sweet car. But it's brought to you by Bring a Trailer. We're going to have a test drive video, and I just hope somebody gets this car and really appreciates it. But it's a Survivor. It's not a restored car. It's restored in that it's got new tires and new brakes, but original engine, original interior. These little trim pieces match the seat, but I'm not familiar with those, or I haven't seen them. It's got crank windows. It's got the fiber optic deals on the dash for the headlights and the taillights. There's your parking brake. The dash pad is in very good shape. And we did take the hard top off, and I'll get some pictures with the soft top and with the top down. Just kind of wanted to go around the car. There's some places right there, little flaws right here, some cracking up here on the edge of this fender, and all the pot metal chrome pieces do have some corrosion on them. Love the hood and the 427 emblem. And I'll get some pictures underneath the car as well. The 69 is my favorite body style. You can see the front air dam is, those are made to be replaced, but it's probably hit a few parking curbs. Got a little crack right there. Pretty good shape for considering the year and the miles. But if you have any questions, give us a call, send us an email. We'll be glad to answer them. We'll have more information on the website. We're going to take pictures of the transmission numbers, picture of the engine number, the casting numbers, as well as the little plate, little flat area. And we have verified that that sequence of numbers does match the VIN number. But it's a cool opportunity to own a 427 4-speed hardtop with factory air in a 1969. And that was the years before they lowered the compression. I believe that was 71. They reduced the compression on a lot of the cars. Like the 350 Corvette motor was only 270 horse. I think it was an 8.5 to 1. This one is 10.25 to 1, and it's a lower horsepower version because of the air conditioning. Get another look at the interior. You can see the horn pad, some of the factory paint has come off, but it's just a really good example of a survivor car with a respray. Well, good luck with your bidding. Somebody's going to get a really neat piece of history. And I hope you like this video. Have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails.